there. So I'm going to paint a classic English landscape in an impressionist style today. Right, colours I'm using. We've got a yellow ochre and a cream. Now I make the cream with white and just a little tiny bit of the yellow ochre. I've got an ultramarine blue, I've got a cad yellow and a lemon yellow, black, burnt umber, burnt sienna, a white, and cerulean blue. If there's anything else, I'll let you know. So I'm going to make a start now. Put those to one side. Here are a few of the brushes that I'm going to be using. Like all my old, lovely worn brushes. Usually hog's hair that I use. I don't like soft brushes. Really soft brushes, I don't like them. I never buy them. I like them to be stiff like this. Anyway, there we are. So let's put those to one side. I'm working on card with acrylic. These are acrylic paints, of course. Right, foreground's going to be some lovely, gorgeous grasses. And that's going to be a field. And I want it quite dark to show off these grasses. So we're going to have some bushes and trees and stuff like that there. And then here we're going to have some fields. Some fields. And in the fields there's going to be bushes and things like that. So those are the fields sloping down to these trees. And then, oh, I'm not leaving myself much room, am I? Let's shorten the entire thing, okay? Let's shorten it, so we'll do that. So we'll have the fields here, and the grass is there. And then this, so these are the trees. Sorry to, hang on a minute. You're going to get all confused. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Otherwise you'll be confused. I want a big sky, see? You know? Right. I want a big sky. Let's get rid of that line there. Okay. Okay. Right, pretend this never happened, okay? Pretend that never happened. So we're going to have some trees and some fences and things like that. Okay, and then we're going to have another line. And here is where the gorgeous paddocks, if you like, go. Right, are you with me? Or have I completely and utterly messed it up? Right, here we go. So we've got field grasses. We've got a hedgerow with trees, fairly big trees. Because they're forward, they're going to be bigger than the ones obviously on the horizon. So you've got your fields, you've got your smaller trees and bushes and stuff. They're going to be much smaller than these. And then you've got your sky, because I'm all about skies, as you probably know. Right, field, grasses, trees and hedgerow. Interesting paddocks all over the place. And then some smaller trees and bushes and things in the far distance. So remember, they're going to be small. Okay. Oh, right. Let's get a move on. Let's get a move on. So I'll start. I'm going to start with my sky, and I'm going to use. The back of these. I use everything. You know, the paper plates. I use the backs as well. So, right. So we'll have some cerulean blue and black to start with. And maybe a bit of white. I like that colour. Now, this is going to be the first coat. I like that colour. Sort of, what colour you call it? It's a greeny blue. Greeny blue. I'll put that on. I'll probably do about 3 coats. So I've used cerulean black and cream to get that colour. Nice and smooth it is. Right, so almost finished this landscape, classic English. Right, I'm going to mask that a minute. I don't want that getting splashed. And I'm going to use a stiff brush that's really, really stiff. I leave the paint on it so that it needs to be stiff. And I'm going to mix a nice colour here. I'm going to use some cream and some yellow ochre. So there we are, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and it would be lovely if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.